Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com and another pizza build. So if you're not familiar with what's going on today, we're not spending time making the dough and the sauce. There's a link below and both videos will pop up at the end. What we're doing is just building. Today we're going to do a beautiful Parma ham. We've got some lovely stuff on there. We're basically going to make a margherita, add some lovely stuff on the top, and we're done. First of all, let's get the dough together. Okay, so you just saw me get that together. So if you follow my recipe, you're going to get two of these, two nice and thin 12-inch pizzas. Let's get some sauce on there. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons I find to be adequate. And again, this sauce is a no-cook sauce. The recipe will pop up at the end. You can check it there along with the pizza dough or the link underneath. What we're going to do, we're basically making a bit of a margherita here, then we're going to be putting some stuff on it once it comes out the oven. So I've got some mozzarella here. I'm using a block type. You can use grated if you want. So nice and simple at this point. You need your oven on full blast, full whack now. Get it as high as you can. We're going to hit this now with a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. We're also going to add some shavings when it comes out and a few other bits. Dried oregano. And that's going to go in my oven for about 6 minutes, full blast. I'll see you when it comes out, and then we're going to get a few other bits to go on the top. So just while our pizza's in there, I've got some rocket here, rocket salad, olive oil. If you wanted, add some balsamic vinegar or lemon. I just like the olive oil, bit of salt. Just throw that around with my hand a little bit, and that's going to go on the pizza with the Parma ham. Easy. So there you go, 6 minutes in my oven. Beautiful, really perfect. Let's get some bits and pieces on this. So let's get that rocket in the center there. That's the one with the olive oil and the salt on. Let's grab the start of the show. Beautiful Parma ham, really thinly sliced. Drop that around there, absolutely wonderful. It sort of comes on these plastic sheets, and I've got it in its on these little plastic sheets. And then one more slice. Look at that, I mean, that is heaven. Some broken fresh basil. Lovely stuff. If you wanted a couple of olives on, that could work. And then I've got some beautiful shavings of Parmesan here. And that's it, we're good to go. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon.
Lots of love.